Hey everybody, welcome to Ancestral Connections. So today I am going to learn to make basab shot, which is technically paratha. Got a really nice story to share with you. So let me just get geared up.
It's a popular part of our culinary culture in Trinidad and Tobago. Ask anybody about their favorite roti, dal puri, sada, basab shot, sure to make that list. Now, basab shot is a local name, it's a local description. I have no idea who came up with this name, but it carries such a rich story. This version of paratha was birthed on the immigrant ship. Now, you can call it the Kalapani version. You can call it the Jahaj version. You can even call it the in-transit version. The point is, basab shot wasn't created in India and it wasn't created in Trinidad. This was an unplanned shortcut on a long journey. This is the history of basab shot. Imagine the journey from India to Trinidad, aboard a ship with hundreds of people just like you traveling for months. Hundreds of immigrants had to be fed, ingredients had to be rationed, and the immigrant cooks, called pandaris, had to be innovative. How would we be able to stretch our rotis to provide meals day after day, week after week, month after month? Instead of making multiple small rotis or chapatis, what if we made one large roti that could be torn into pieces? This way, we'll have enough to go around a few times. To make this happen, wooden paddles or doublers were used. Genius! Again, the name basab shot is a local description of what this roti looks like. It all makes sense though, because this is often served at religious or cultural events where there's cooking on a large scale. You save on labor, you save on cost, and it's delicious.
So I'm here with Sumintra Pantin. She is going to show us how to make basab shot or paratha.
The kneading of the flour first. We put some sugar, we put some baking powder and a pinch of salt. I knead it with a lukewarm water and leave it to stand for about 20 minutes, and then I make the loaf and set them out. I leave that for about 10 minutes and then I start to open them out. I mix butter and cooking together and paste it.
And this is the dry flour, which is
not
the
plenty
paratha.
butter, else the cooking will get it crisp and break up. And then I roll it like a cone, as you saw me doing it. And then I leave it to stand for about 20 minutes again. And then we roll it out and then cook it on the tower. Right. It was nice having you all over.
It was nice.
God bless you all, and I hope that you learned something from this. I hope it will make you do it for yourself now.
Well, I'm not sure about the flipping, but we'll see.
It will be very